Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we're at Ventura Collection, checking out the Ferrari A12 Superfast, one of Ferrari's most powerful and elegant V12 Grand Tourers. Let's take a closer look at the design, the details, and what makes this masterpiece stand out. Starting with the front, you can tell this front end has a bit of a minimalist look. It doesn't, scream on this or on that. You can check the light signature. It just goes down. You got one beam over there, and these three sort of like stripy lights over here. And I think this is the LED light signature. It just pops up over here. I'm not too sure if this is part of the lights as well, or just part of the design. But yeah, you can check the grille. It's big. It's got a open mesh package. I think this is probably carbon. It's got a carbon part over here. This is part of the aero kit, because you can see it sort of channels air through. A bit of a spoiler on the sides, and as you can see, everything here is all functional. Got radiators in the inside there, and as we move to the side, you can still see that this car packs a punch. Check everything over here. Everything just goes in through there and comes out over there. So everything is literally, air goes in, air goes out. Highly aerodynamic car. Then move over to the side. One thing that I've checked, different badging over here. I haven't seen this one here before, but yeah, I guess it's part of the A12. Checking the wheels. It's got 20-inch wheels, carbon ceramic brake discs, red brake calipers. Yeah, man, this is nice. This is a peculiar set of bolts, seeing them on a Ferrari, You probably see bolts like these on a truck or something like that. But yeah, yes, they do serve the purpose. I think these are just side lights. Yeah, they have a different vibe. The Ferrari shield over there. We got carbon wing mirror caps, carbon door handles, and start up with the inside. We're gonna start up with the door. It's got leather, carbon. You got some seat controls over here, your wing controls. I actually didn't know that Ferrari has JBL sound system in them. The first one seeing for me. Got the carbon seal plate, seats, leather with a Ferrari red stripe in between, red seat belts. Moving over to the main dash, you got carbon and leather everywhere. You got the leather ripped carbon steering wheel. This was before they decided to skip the whole buttons procedure, but now they've brought it back. On the new Testarossa, you can get physical buttons on the steering wheel, as they had changed to the touchpad buttons, but I heard customers been complaining. So yeah, but steering wheels like this are sort of back in play with physical buttons as well. Then even the dashboard, it's got analog dials. I think on the new ones, everything is now digital. And this car is really low. You gotta move back, take it in, maybe just have a seat in it. Then the dash, all minimalist, no screens. I think this is probably just a screen, and I think there should be a screen there for your passenger as well to see what you're doing. As you can see, the dash A12 Superfast, and in the middle center console, everything minimalist. You just got your reverse automatic launch. That's all you need. But how do you put it in drive? Because I'm not too sure, but maybe somewhere over here you got your start stop button over here. This is for your suspension. This is lights, indicator switches, and this is for your wipers, and this is traction control off, CT off. I'm not sure what CT is for, but that's race mode, that's sport, and that's for wet. And this is probably for your CarPlay feature, and also to answer like your phone. So pretty much everything is on the dash. Your gear selectors, up, pedals, and on the side here, this is probably to turn on maybe the radio. You got your home back features, fence, look at you and that. Yeah, man. You got your window operating switches over here, carbon everywhere. Yeah, man, this feels good. Ferrari. And you got some space in the back here as well, so you can load up a bag or two, This is carbon on it. Roof Alcantara. Yeah, man. I like the feel of that. It's like really low and you can feel the seat. It's got the carbon fuel cap. Don't know if this real, but yeah. Sort of Ferrari trickery over there. Got Ferrari emblem on the lead deck. Got the prancing horse. Another double tail lights in the back, matching the double exhaust tips over here. The big diffuser. Yeah, man. They meant business when they made this car. All aero ducts over there to channel the wheel well air, bringing it out. Everything is carbon on the diffuser as well. Yeah, man. The Ferrari V12 Superfast. It really looks good in person because I've only seen some go fast on the road, and also the F12 TDF that we saw. There was that side, and I think I saw it on the outside, so we'll probably just do a go around over that one as well. But yeah, do let me know what you think of this beast. Ferrari A12 Superfast and the Grigio Silvertone spec, I think. And it also has a 6.5 liter V12. So, ooh. Superfast, GTS, TDF, and the Competizione, eh? All right. You guys be enjoying it.
Thank you.
Enjoying your days. Got the A12 GTS over here. Seeing the full spec. Got the Range Rover Sport, the Competizione, the A12, the F12 TDF. Got the Maserati M6 and the Porsche Carrera. Yeah, man. Check out the full video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to leave us a comment, please do as well. This is the rear. Is this exhaust standard?
Oh no, so this is because the car's going overseas, so it's had to have emission tests.
Oh.
So they have to put that on to do the testing.
Makes sense. I was like, oh, that's crazy. What? Is how you get into your Ferrari. Ready to go.